Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can share files of your Dropbox to other people they want to share the files with. First of all, just go into Google Chrome browser and open up dropbox.com, or you can simply open up the Dropbox website or application as well. After opening the application or from the website, simply log in into your account like I already am. Here you can see that this is a file name folder, and now I want to share it with someone. To do so, all you have to do is go to your files and you can see a share option, and beside it a copy link button. If you click on it, and now you can see that there is a link that has been copied into my clipboard, and now whoever has this link is now going to be able to access and edit whatever inside is in your folder. If you don't want whatever it is inside your folder to be managed or edited, simply click on this manage option, and now you can manage the settings from here. You can see that you can add an expiration date, or you can also see you can add passport or even disable downloads as well. Now this is how you can set the settings for the share folders. Now after, all you have to do is go into your friends or family's chat box and simply paste in the link that you just copied, and you'll be able to share the website or the folder. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment or review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.